Hey, have you ever wondered? A simple flower in your surrounding can make magic to your hairs, that can turn your hairs to silky, smoothie, and long. Believe me, today we'll see a mask of hibiscus flower that can give you your always dreamed hairs. So first take 10 to 15 hibiscus flowers. Let them dry for about 5 to 6 days. If you don't have this much of flowers at one go, you can collect them on the daily basis for a few days and let them dry, and then you will get this fine content of the hibiscus flower. Next we'll take yogurt. Yogurt is full of proteins which your hair needs for proper nourishment, for growth and health of your hairs. So I have taken this homemade yogurt. Next ingredient is fenugreek seeds, which is also high in protein content, and it especially moisturizes your scalp and fights against problems like dandruff and hair thinning. Next one is essential oil. You can use any essential oil you have at your home. Don't forget to read the instructions given, because many times it might be irritating to few people. So don't forget to have a patch taste on your skin, and don't use it undiluted directly on skin or your scalp. Here I have used turmeric essential oil as it helps you against hair loss due to breakage and also promotes hair growth. Then I have taken olive oil, which is enriched with vitamin E. You can use directly vitamin E capsules also, which prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. And here are all our ingredients: dried hibiscus flower, yogurt, fenugreek seeds, essential oil, and olive oil. And now let's start. First I will take this dried hibiscus flower and I will put it in grinding pot, and I will grind it well to get a fine powder. We will also have fenugreek seeds fine powder. For that I will grind it well to get fine powder, because fenugreek seeds acts very important role in this mask, because fenugreek seeds are very helpful in your hair growth and moisturizing your scalp. Now we will add natural yogurt to hibiscus flower powder and fenugreek seeds powders mixture. We have to make a thick paste of this mixture. Add more yogurt if you want to. This will give us a thick, consistent paste. If you want a thin one, you can add more yogurt to it. Add 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. And only 3 to 5 drops of essential oil. This much will be sufficient. Mix it well and our paste is ready. And here are my hairs before applying this mask. While applying, don't forget to apply it evenly and all over your scalp, as it should nourish your scalp also. Massage it carefully. And here are my hairs after hair wash. I have used my regular shampoo. You can see the changes. My hairs have turned smooth, silky, bouncy, and they are looking so thick. Oh, who don't want these hairs, these textures? So you try it out at home and let me know your feedback in comment section. Thank you.